Welcome to Product Critique, where we explore the finest in home essentials and kitchen gear. Today, we're spotlighting one of the best holiday-themed aprons on the market. The DII Women's Christmas Kitchen Apron in the delightful, Merry Tree design. The holiday season is filled with joy, laughter, and of course, a whole lot of cooking and baking. And nothing says festive cheer quite like dressing the part while you prepare those special holiday meals. That's where this DII Christmas apron comes in. It's not just an accessory, it's a holiday statement. First off, let's talk design. The Merry Tree pattern is playful, colorful, and perfectly captures the holiday spirit. It blends function and festivity in a way that makes it a standout piece in any kitchen. Whether you're baking gingerbread cookies, roasting a Christmas turkey, or crafting handmade ornaments, this apron keeps you in the holiday mood with its charming print and classic seasonal color palette. Now let's get into the build. This apron is made from 100% cotton, which means it's not only breathable but also durable and easy to maintain. You're getting a fabric that can withstand the demands of a busy kitchen, splashes, spills, flour dust clouds. You name it, and still hold up beautifully through multiple washes. And the care is simple. Just machine wash cold, tumble dry on low, and it's good as new. Size and fit are always important when it comes to aprons, and this one delivers on versatility. With dimensions of 26 by 28.5 inches and extra long straps, this apron is designed to fit most adult body types comfortably. The adjustable neck and waist straps make it easy to get a snug, secure fit, so you're not constantly readjusting as you move around the kitchen. One of the most practical features, and this is a game changer, is the oversized center pocket. It's huge and super functional. You can stash spatulas, spoons, recipes, even your phone or a towel, keeping everything you need within arm's reach. It's a smart design touch that enhances the utility without compromising the look. Beyond just your own use, this apron makes a fantastic gift. Because it's so customizable, you can add embroidery or a monogram, maybe the initials of a loved one, a family name, or even a business logo if you're gifting it to someone who loves to host. It's a thoughtful and personal touch that turns a functional kitchen accessory into a keepsake. This apron isn't just limited to the kitchen. It's also ideal for crafting, decorating, gardening, anything that could use a little festive flair and a lot of practicality. With its strong fabric, roomy pocket, and adjustable fit, you can wear it comfortably while staying productive and mess-free. To sum it all up, the DII Women's Christmas Apron in the Merry Tree design is fun, festive, and functional. It's made to last, it fits comfortably, it holds everything you need, and it adds a splash of holiday cheer to everything you do. Whether you're buying it for yourself or as a gift for the holiday host in your life, it's a purchase that combines style and substance in the best possible way. That's it for today's product critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more honest takes on the best products for your home. Happy holidays, and happy cooking!